Marketing Chapter 2 Price. What do you mean by price? Price is one of the important element of marketing mix. Price only determines the growth of an organization. The other three main elements of the marketing mix are product, place and promotion. What do you mean by product? A firm needs certain amount to produce any product or services. What do you mean by place? Place is concerned with sales and distribution through various channels like first one is choosing the sales method, that is in which place we are going to do the business and what type of sales we are going to do. Second one is payment to salesman, the person who is going to work for our company. They are known as salesmen. So, how much income, that is, how much profit we are gaining in our business, according to that only, we can give the wages or income to the salesperson. Third one is expenses for transport. Expenses for transport depends upon the what type of business we are doing, whether we are going to do the international transportation or we are going to do the local transportation. So, the payment will differ according to that business what we are doing. And the last one is promotion. How we are going to promote our product. It can be done using the advertising in TV and radio, or we can do the sample promotion. All of these are the variable costs for an organization. What do you mean by variable cost? These costs will change according to the changes in level of production and sales activity. Therefore, this will help in setting the right price for the product. Before setting up the right price, they will be taking all these into consideration. That is, the product, place and promotion. How much it cost, and according to that only, they will set the right price for the product. Right price covers all these expenditures on the final product and brings some profit to the firm. Next one is meaning of price. The term price denotes money value of a product. It represents the amount of money that customers pay to the sellers to gain benefits of having or using a good or service. First two lines can be taken for meaning. Next one is definition of price. The definition of price according to Philip Kotler is price is the amount of money charged for a product or service. Similarly, according to Stanton, price is the amount of money needed to acquire some combination of goods and its accompanying services. Two definitions has to be written. While setting prices for the products, the business takes into account various aspects of production, which is listed below. First one is price of raw material. How they will set the price? First, they will be seeing, that is, in which quality of product we are going to choose, whether it is going to be a good quality or it is going to be a local quality. See, in business, both the quality of goods will be taken, because we have to serve the customers according to their taste, that is, in which according to their comfortable zone. If we are going to produce a good quality of product, then we have to charge according to that. If we are going to produce a local product, then we have to charge the price according to that. Next one is cost of manufacturing. Cost of manufacturing include labor, expenses on power, and what type of machine or what type of technology we are choosing. So everything all together will be coming under the cost of manufacturing. Next one is market condition. When there is a high demand for the product to buy, then the price will be high. When there is a low demand for that specific product, automatically the price will reduce. We can take the example of the present situation of also. In lockdown, what happened? We need many items for our day-to-day survival purpose. So what happens? There is demand for many products, so automatically the price is also increases. When there is a less demand for that product, the price will automatically reduce. Next one is competition in the market. If there is no similar product in the market, the price can be set higher. See, if I am going to produce any product like named as A. There is no similar product in the market. I am only introducing a new product named as A means I can set the price higher. If there are many similar products like A means, then I have to adjust my price according to that competitive product. We can take the example of network. First, in our first and all, we had a network named as Airtel, right? And now we are having many new competitive network as like Jio, BSNL, Vodafone. So many networks are there. So what the Airtel will be doing is, if they are going to give any new pack like and if they are going to introduce any new pack means, then they will be seeing what Jio has been introduced already and what Vodafone has been introduced. So according to that, they will be setting the price, and then they will introduce a new pack with many offers or more benefits which can be gained by the customers. Last one is brand and quality of product. If it is a branded product with good quality, the price will be high. Even it depends upon the shop also. For example, we can take Kalyan Jewellers. The jewelries which and all there in Kalyan Jewellers, the cost will be like high. Even for the gold jewelries, we can see in the local shop near our streets also, where the gold rate will be less. So these all depends upon the brand and quality of a product.